Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to schedule data backup in Salesforce. This is an essential task for protecting your organization's data and ensuring you have regular backups of all your important information. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access Salesforce Setup. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and click on it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage all your Salesforce settings. Once you're in Setup, locate the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. This search tool helps you navigate Salesforce's extensive settings quickly. Type data export into the Quick Find box. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the available options to match your search. From the filtered results, click on Data Export. This will open the Data Export Management page where you can configure and schedule your backups. This is where all the magic happens for keeping your data safe. Now click on Schedule Export. This button will open the configuration screen where you can set up your automated backup schedule. You'll see several options appear that allow you to customize exactly how your data is exported. The first setting you'll encounter is the encoding type. Select your preferred encoding format, such as UTF-8. This determines how your data will be formatted in the export file, and UTF-8 is typically the best choice for compatibility. Next, you'll see a checkbox for include images, documents, and attachments. Check this option if you want to back up these files along with your data. Keep in mind that enabling this will increase the export time and file size, but it ensures you have a complete backup. Below that, you'll find another checkbox labeled Replace Carriage Returns and Line Breaks with Spaces. If you plan on importing this data later into another system or spreadsheet, it's a good idea to check this option. It helps prevent formatting issues during import. Under the frequency section, you'll need to choose how often your backups run. Select either weekly or monthly depending on your Salesforce edition and your organization's needs. Some editions may limit your options here, so choose what's available to you. Now it's time to set your backup schedule. Set the start date for when you want the first backup to occur. Then set an end date if you want the schedule to stop at a certain point or leave it open for ongoing backups. For the preferred start time, choose a time when your system has low activity, such as 1:0 a.m. This ensures the backup process won't slow down your team's work. In the exported data section, you'll see options for what data to include. Check the box for include all data. This is recommended for a full backup and ensures nothing is left behind. Finally, click Save to confirm your backup schedule. Salesforce will now automatically export your data according to the schedule you've set. You'll receive an email notification when each backup completes with a link to download the files. And that's it. You've successfully set up automated data backups in Salesforce, giving you peace of mind that your organization's data is protected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.